Take a moment to close your eyes and connect your awareness to right here and right now. Notice if you need to shift or move, allowing your body to get really comfortable. Notice how you feel today. Right here, right now, without any judgment. Just notice, where are you at today? Relax all the muscles from around your eyes and bring gentleness into your entire face. Focus your attention on breathing in and out through your nose. Maybe adding in the mantra, I am, on the inhale, and exhaling, my breath. I am my breath. I am my breath. Release your tongue from the roof of your mouth and soften the jaw muscles. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. And without forcing, gently nudge your way into a longer inhale and a much longer exhale. Drop your shoulders. Bring your attention into your heart. And feel your body melt into this moment. Allow your entire being to soften. I'd like you to take a step back from your life for just a moment. Leave all your worries, concerns, situations, relationships aside for now. Inhale the words right here and exhale the words right now. Right here, right now. Coming into this now moment. Feel yourself vibrating in the resonance of your life. Relax your jaw again. Feel your eyes melt. Now, where in your life could you slow down and be a bit more present? Just recognize, without any judgment. Where could your presence in life bring you more joy, more recognition of this beautiful life? Come back to your breath, breathing in and out through your nose. Where in your life could you bring in some more patience and presence? Where have you maybe let things go astray? Notice and listen from within. You don't need to fix anything or come up with any solutions right now. You are simply letting everything be, and you're right here, right now. You're breathing and examining parts of your life where you could slow down and recognize the beauty of life. Once again, breathing in right here and exhaling right now. Right here, right now. And allow yourself to go deeper for a few minutes as my voice goes silent, and listen from within for guidance and direction. Slowly bring your attention back to the sound of my voice. Bringing your attention back to your breath. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest. Take a moment now to recognize any learnings or insights that came from this meditation. And come back now, taking 3 longer, slower, deeper breaths. And send your attention now to your fingers, bringing some movement into your hands, your arms, coming up to your shoulders, moving into some shoulder rolls from one side to the next, keeping that jaw slightly open. Coming back to center and slowly opening your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.